I was extremely elated when I was reached on to say I was one of the persons they'll be giving the award to. So I really did not know how to show my appreciation at that time. On behalf of Sabi Mama, MD, People's Doctor Medical Center, and her followers, I would like to launch with 200,000 naira.
Thank you very much. Well, I've been looking at that man that said, how did the woman know that the socket is not working in the hotel? Well, in Nigeria now, we know that military veterans, we are pushing forward to get the government to respond, because there are very senior ailing military officers that are dying every day. There are so many too that have been kidnapped in the small place that they can go and get a house over their head, because there's no government house for any retired military personnel. So when I see something like this, I'm very happy. We also have a magazine called the Veteran Voice magazine, and this is what I know that they do. I know that whatever we are going to raise here, definitely she's going to use it to support many artists that have been forgotten. We just heard that somebody slumped and died now. He's a gospel artist, and because we hear of him, that's why you heard it. There are so many that have died that don't come to public space. So I believe that this is going towards to support them. So I'm going to support it with 50,000 naira. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I thank Almighty God for making this event successful, because it is getting successful already. And I thank the organizers of this event for even organizing our company. So I don't want to talk too much. I'm reading this magazine with 100,000 naira.
Please put your hands together for me. Next on our list is Comrade Babasola. The mic, please. Pass it over to him. He's here.
Okay. Yeah. Which one is that? Glory be to God Almighty for this opportunity to be present here. Which man? And it's nice seeing this wonderful and beautiful magazines, which has in one way or the other unveiled a lot of people hidden. So, on behalf of myself and my family, I donate 100,000.
Please put your hands together for him.
I want to thank God for the opportunity to be recognized as one of the awardees today. I also want to thank God for the organizer of this award, for this event, and the person of my sister Eno Udo. God bless you. I know her as a very hard worker. She is someone I know very close to my heart. She knows that.
I know that, Mama.
Yes.
I do.
So I'm happy to be here today, and I want to thank every one of you too, for also making yourself available to be here. I pray that God will continue to bless you, increase your own size, and continue to provide all you need to continue the good work that God has bestowed on your shoulders. In the name of Jesus. So I would like to support you with 250,000. Thank you.
Please put your hands together.
National Integrity Award for finding me worthy to be one among the awardees. Well, as you all know, by nature of practice or training, we don't talk too much. We always believe in action. And normally we also don't like making ourselves too much public or talking too much in the public. So for that reason, I will get across
insecurity in Nigeria is the worst thing that has ravaged our society, that has given pain. Here in Lagos, most people don't know what is happening in Nigeria. I schooled in the north, and I'm a member of ABU, but I went to Kaduna. I could not go to Zaria. You don't understand how men, women are being disturbed in their peaceful homes and are being adopted, kidnapped, day-to-day families. Churches are being abandoned. Christians don't go, Muslims don't go to their mosque, Christians don't. You don't have an idea what is happening. People are living in fear. You lock your door, suddenly you observe that the whole doors are open. And you see strangers in hundreds. They come in like 300 into your home and invade the whole areas. So, just you don't have an idea what insecurity is. You can't even party. You can't visit families, the elderly. They know that suffering. So to God be the glory. We are here. We are enjoying. And I thank God for my sister to have the integrity. In fact, when she approached me, I looked at her. I wanted to ask her, who gave you such an idea? But I said, okay, let me walk along with her. So, and I know for what we have started, because I know that we have started the journey, and I'm ready to walk with her. And I appreciate my senior veteran comrade that is here, sir. I've been longing to see you. And I thank you for the tax and what you are doing for us generally.
Thank you.
I appreciate you, and we appreciate you, and I thank you for my sweet sister. You know we are veterans. We were there in the Ecomont, we were there in Liberia, we were there in Northeast, and I was there for the United Nations. I served. And I'm still serving. So I know that God is with Nigeria. Because other West African countries, it didn't happen like this. Today, they are fighting war that they don't know. And I believe, as a true Christian, that God is with us. Amen. And God, because He said it's not of us, it's of good, that will take us to expected end of good prosperity, and Nigeria will be born again. And we look forward for a new Nigeria. Thank you. And I'm giving my widow's mind 50,000 naira as a veteran.
Thank you. Very good, fantastic job. I just want to encourage you, keep pushing, keep moving. At the end of the day, we all celebrate. Amen. So I want to unveil this magazine with 50,000.
Well, that she's really going far and she will go far more than this. Eno.
I'll give her 100,000.
Oh, thank you.